Welcome to a tutorial on adding a blog post to a WordPress website. The tutorial objectives are as follows. The first is to identify the steps needed to create, save, and publish a new blog entry on WordPress. The second is to identify where editing tools, also known as blocks, are located for adding content to blog entries. Creating a new blog post from the WordPress homepage is simple. There are 3 different locations on the homepage for starting a new blog post. First, a stationary navigation bar is found at the top of the WordPress homepage that contains a static Write button. Second, posts can also be created from the left side navigation, where hovering over posts provides all posts, add new, categories, and tags as actions to take. Third, Write blog post is an entry of the quick links embedded navigation, found on the right-hand side of the WordPress homepage. In general, WordPress has built-in redundancies for this particular action on the homepage. Given the purpose of WordPress is the creation of blog content, this is not surprising. Adding content to blog posts on WordPress is also quite simple. Content is added via blocks. To add a block, you can select Inline Edition, where the option to add a block is found at the end of the line the user has their cursor positioned on, or blocks can be added from the toolbar at the upper left-hand portion of the web page. There are many different types of blocks available on WordPress, and a review is beyond the scope of this tutorial, but worth researching. It is valuable to preview your blog post before publishing. This way you can ensure all your blocks and content are displaying correctly and according to your selected theme. From the desktop application, users can preview what their website would look like on desktop, tablet, phone, and search and social. This marks the end of the tutorial on adding a blog post to WordPress. You should now be able to identify the steps needed to create, save, and publish a new blog entry, and identify where editing tools, known as blocks, are located for adding content to blog entries. Thank you for your participation.